subscribers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And check out, they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Nice job packaging. Make sure nothing is. There we go. Man. Oh, sweet. This is coming from Slimpal. Alrighty. Here we go, guys. Now take a look at this. Mini massage gun light. That is so tiny. Pals for a simpler life. Amen to that. Nothing simple though these days. This might be simple. Here we go. Let's take a look inside. Be a nice gift to give to somebody, yourself, friend, your partner. There you go. And get this thing all done. Here we go. Take a look. Hopefully there's some juice left. There we go. Whoa. Take a look at that manual. Something to read. Activity Sports Studio Workout. Alright. Richard Simmons, watch out. And we got the manual. Looks like a travel bag. Start your own mini massage therapist. Go. Whoa. That is tiny. We got these guys. I'm not sure what they're called, but they got that in the manual. This one works great. I use this a lot on my other ones. Got this one. Then we got the USB cable. Empty. Oh, this thing is tiny. Here's back. USB goes there. Power button. Alright. See, I forgot what they're called. Should have a list of names. Yep. Alright. Number 1. This dude. It's called a ball head. Kind of looks like a bald head, but it's shaped like a ball. That is called the fork, or the field goal post. Kind of looks like a field goal post. And then number 3, it's a bullet. And number 4, flathead. Makes sense. We'll do the ball one. And just plug it in. Things like that. And this thing is tiny. Whoa. Okay, just press it. Oh, baby. Look at that action. For this little guy. Packs a punch. Whoa, so you can hold it like this. try it out. Get situated. Ooh. Slimpal. YouTubers, this thing works amazing. Definitely check them out. Oh yeah. Especially if you're on your feet all day. If you know people that work in the shops and stuff like this. Oh, this is gonna come in handy. Oh, I forgot. Oh boy, sorry, I was zoning out for a minute. Alright, though, definitely check them out. This thing is amazing. It's simple, it's easy to carry. Take it with you on the plane, maybe. Especially those long flights. Oh man, definitely your body will thank you after this. Look at that action going. Alright, oh, I can feel the little fan over here. Alright, check them out, YouTubers. Simple, Slimpal, simpler life. Alright, pals. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Stay warm. Stay safe from the snow.